Hey guys, here I am outside now. I'm gonna be testing this again. It's gonna be outside. I have no idea where I'm gonna put the camera at. No, not put. Gonna put it right here. Okay, guys. Oh, so much fly. Yeah, guys, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Smash the like button down below, and peace out. Wait a minute. Peace.